Desmond on here. So one of the questions that I get asked a lot is, Desmond, how can I be in a position just like you where you're getting deals, you're getting clients come to you instead of you going to clients? Obviously, when clients or deals goes to you, you have a high leverage point where you get to actually set the tone of the negotiation and set the tone of how you want the deal to be, set the price, and you get more bargaining power. I'm going to show you exactly how this whole entire thing works based on one of my presentations that I made in one of my events called Consulting Mastery Live.
If you're still going out there actively looking for clients, that's not a good exercise. Let me tell you. I know it sounds stupid, right? But I kind of want you to sit back, relax, and deploy your army of referrals. You get what I'm saying? Focus on branding, becoming a speaker. Because when you become a speaker, what happens is that people come to you. You understand what I'm saying? For example, I've done events like this before where all are business owners. Maybe 20 people are all business owners. And then I just come and teach for free. I just talk about Facebook, Instagram, blah, 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 blah. And then at the end, I just simply tell them, hey, if you want me to work with you, all I want you to do is just maybe talk to me outside later and I'll see if I can work with you. Usually out of the 20 people, 10 people will come to me and ask me, my business is doing this, my business needs this, can you help me? Immediately in one sitting, 30-minute speech, I can get 10 clients. 1 day of work. Preparing presentation in the morning, then afternoon just come and speak for 30 minutes to 1 hour. You understand what I'm saying? So besides becoming a speaker, you also need to learn how to become a platform speaker. Please write that down, platform speaker. Okay? And you need to learn how to give people value. Do what a lot of you will call a preview. You understand what I'm saying? A preview. It's really, really important. Imagine if you can bring 20, 30 business owners into the room. And what I want you all to do is really go think about, if you can do Facebook ads, for example, right, and you can fill people in the room, super easy. You can bring 10 business owner, 20 business owner, or you can work together. Because one of the idea that you can do is that, let's say you are focusing on social media, you can work together with an accounting firm who want to offer accounting services to businesses, and then they sponsor, let's say, 3,000 ringgit to rent the room, to prepare tables like this, and then maybe some into advertising fee. And then you bring 10, 20, 30 business owner into a room, you make a 1 hour presentation, and then the accountant make a 1 hour presentation. Both of you sell your services. One sell accounting services, one sell social media marketing services. Easily out of the 10 business owners, 90% of them will walk out that day buying something. Because this is what they need. You get what I'm saying? Hey, if you enjoyed the video that I filmed for you just now, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment. So make sure you also check out some of the videos that I made in the past because they're great, and make sure you subscribe to my channel.